Hello and welcome back to season 7 of Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm Troy Karen.
It's been 10 years since this show's been on. It's a shame that you don't find shows like this on YouTube anymore.
Wow, look at all this stuff. Yeah, this is all the stuff we're gonna microwave for season 7. All of this stuff. There has to be like 47
what day is it?
47 items. Ah, jeez.
It's July 1st. Wow, it is 10 years. It's the 10th anniversary. I think I should do my own experiments. What should I do? Oh, I know. A fidget spinner and a light bulb. Yeah, they already did the light bulb, but why not go back to how it started with a light bulb? And the old question is it a good idea to microwave this?
Wait, there's even bulbs?
Are you ready for this? Let's do it. I wonder how long it takes to microwave. 2 minutes? Ventilation is key. Oh, jeez. Safety is number one concern. Yeah, I think we're on fire. No one likes fried junk. Bad idea? Possibly. Stop it. Is it a good idea to microwave this?
Let's find out. 10 years ago today, Jonathan, Paula, and Joy Karen started a YouTube series called Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? By microwaving a bunch of items that were left behind in the dorms that they went to college in. And the first thing that they did was a light bulb. And so in tribute to the 10th anniversary, we're going to do this, a fidget spinner. I had 2, but I can't find the other one. And since it's the 10th anniversary, we're going to do a light bulb, which if you've seen any of the show, if you've seen the show before, you know what that happens.
Let's do this.
How long do you think you should put it on? 10 minutes?
Let's do 15.
Let's go. What was your favorite thing that they microwave?
I think the Game Boy Advance.
I think mine was...
No, the airbag.
Any of the games that they did, and the paint spray. I don't think that beeping was from the microwave. I'm gonna go up and see how much time, if it's still running.
All right. Don't die. He's gonna die.
I guess because it did stop itself. I don't know why.
Is it running now?
Yeah.
There it goes.
Smoke.
It stinks.
That's probably the fidget spinner. How much longer do you think I should let it go?
Like 40 seconds. All right, now. Got our bucket of water. And there goes the flames.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
I think the bulb did break. Yeah, the bulb broke, and a little bit of the fidget spinner had broke as well. Well, do you think this was a good idea?
nothing blew up.
And the light bulb
The
did.
light bulb broke, but it didn't go boom.
And the fidget spinner was melted around the bearings. Do you think we might do videos like this again?
Probably.
Well, that's it for this video of Is There a Good Idea to Microwave This tribute edition. Happy anniversary to John Paula, Ronnie McCohen, and Jory Karen. Hope to see another video from you guys soon. See ya.